It's gonna happen, guys.
Hong Kong.
Bro, here we go. Woo!
To all who come to this happy place, welcome
you and
good morning, everyone. We are so glad you're here at the Magic Kingdom, where a day filled with daring adventures and dreams come true is waiting for each and every one of you. And now, let the magic begin! For your safety and the safety of those around you, please walk slowly and carefully to your next destination. Thank you.
They aren't doing the show.